So today we're just going to add a sphere to the information that we already know. So half your worksheet is spheres and the other half is just review. Let me do a sphere problem. Oh my goodness, why was number 10 written like that? Let's just do number 10. That might be, wow. Okay, so volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed, which is just going to be 4/3 pi times 1 cubed. I do not know how that got as a practice question. Anyway, you can put that in your calculator if you want, but you know that 1 cubed is still 1. So this is really 4/3 times pi, which gives me volume equals 4.19 miles. Nice. Again, I don't know about some of these units on these problems. Oh, we have a typo actually on these ones because it says surface area. I just assumed this was volume. It's your lucky day, guys. You can cross out 7 through 10. We don't need to find surface area in this unit. But if you want to, you've got some extra practice questions right there. That's a good example though. There's your sphere example. On this other side, you're not actually, well, this is a half sphere or a hemisphere. And you're going to have to figure out, oh, what is the 27? Well, the 27 is between the edge and a dot. So the 27 is your radius. So all you do is your volume formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi r, which is 27, cubed. Again, your calculator will be your friend on this assignment because these numbers are massive. 4/3. Again, if you've got a calculator that can do the fraction button, that might be your ticket. I do want to show you one thing. Whenever you're cubing something, you can hit this little button right here. I think they call it a caret. And then you put that to the power of 3. Boom, there you go. And now you have a sphere that is, so you're, oh, you know what, we didn't divide by 2 because this is a half sphere, isn't it? It's a hemisphere. So our volume of our sphere is this guy. We're going to add a divide by 2 underneath it though, just to remember that this is a hemisphere. So I'm going to take my answer, divide by 2, and I get 41,224. We'll just round to that. There we go. Centimeters cubed, done. So remember, hemisphere, find the volume of a sphere, and then cut it in half because you're missing the top part of your sphere. Some of the problems will have the answer, or the, what's it called? The numbers, information right above the dot. That's implying that the diameter is 18. Okay. Well, if you're given the diameter, how can we find the radius? By taking the diameter and dividing it by 2. So my radius here would just be half of 18, which would be 9. And then I can use 9 in my formula for a sphere. This is a full sphere. So volume equals 4/3 pi times 9 cubed. Boom, there you go. I think you can do everything except for number 10. Cross out number 10. And because these are a lot of the same problems, how about you pick, well, let's cross out 6 and 9. That'll shorten the assignment. So again, on this side, we're just going to cross out 6, 9, and 10. And on the other side, we crossed out 7 through 10. All right. So there we go, and that about does it for the volume chapter.